Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Ingeniero Chopper, and today we are going to make another video for my MG5. So if you can remember, in my previous video I did an unboxing of all the packages I have inside my trunk, and isa ito sa na-unbox natin. And today finally i-install ko na siya because I believe isa ito sa mga nag-a-affect sa performance ng unit ko. So in the past months or weeks, napapansin ko na medyo nagji-jerk yung takbo ng kotse ko, especially when I'm uphill. Like, everyday, nagbabiyahe ako sa bridge. So, may times na nagji-jerk siya, kahit maintain lang yung pag-apa ko sa gasolinador. So, I think this is one that will help me remove the jerking. So, again, this is the double iridium spark plugs from Winworld. So this is a Chinese brand, and I believe this will not affect my warranty because spark plug is a consumable part of a car. It's your discretion kung kailan mo siya papalitan. So in my previous video, nung nagpa-PMS ako sa 7th PMS, is sinabihan ako na I had my change of spark plug last March 2022, and then due ko is sa 8th PMS pa. So sabi is mga nasa 2 to 3 years daw yung lifespan ng isang spark plug. But for me, since I have this opportunity na bumili ng double iridium, I grab it, and andito na siya. By the way, there's no difference. Meron akong nakausap na isang car enthusiast na si Sir Boyet Maniha. Siya yung nagsabi sa akin na there's no difference from an ordinary spark plug to a platinum, to an iridium, and to a double iridium. Yung difference lang niya is yung longevity ng product or ng item. So, in terms of the performance, it would still be the same unless if you have upgraded something in your engine or in other parts of your car. So, if all stock and then you change it with this one, there's no difference. You are just assuring yourself na mas matagal yung longevity niya. So ayan, without further ado, let's install this, and all we need is simple tools lang guys. So let's open the hood. So sa pag-open ng hood, hindi mo siya maangat agad kasi meron siyang secondary lock. So you just need to flip the latch here. Then don't forget to secure the stand. Ngayon, kunin natin yung tools. So, andito yung mahiwaga kong toolbox from Mr. DIY. Alright, what we will be needing is simple lang, tune-up kit. I bought this from Shopee. So, spark plug tool. And then, ito, simple tools lang. And then, may screwdriver. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung gamit nito. So, ayan. Okay, first thing is etong number 10 socket. Sorry, 8 pala. And then, for remove, ayan. Yung 4 yung kukunin natin. Luluwagan natin lahat yan. And then, pagkatapos niyan, tatanggalin yung mga bolt. 4 ito. So, lagay natin siya dito sa toolbox. Next thing is you pull this, ano tawag nito? Ignition coil, or tama ba? Basta itong head niya. Yan. So, gagamitan na natin ng socket. Itong para sa spark plug tool. So, kung gusto niyo bumili ng ng deep socket wrench, kung meron na kayo nito, and then gusto niyo gumamit ng deep socket wrench, is yung number 16 yung gagamitin. Oh, hi Caleb. Hi. Yes. Huh? Yes, I came from the CR. And now I'm here sa car. Okay, let's fix the car together. Okay? So, ayan guys, number 16 yung deep socket wrench. And then meron akong nakikita na para talaga sa sa pagtatanggal ng spark plug, yung may magnetic deep socket wrench. Kasi ito, na-experience ko siya, mahirap tanggalin guys, just like this one. Ito, meron ako nito. number 16 to, 16 and 14. So pagkatanggal ko ng spark plug or pagka-loosen up ko sa kanya, nahihirapan akong tanggalin siya. Kasi hindi siya sumasabit. Kasi medyo maluwag yung spark plug sa wrench na to. So ito guys, oh. Yan, pagkatapos niyan, mahirap na siyang tanggalin.
Is it a wrench?
Yes, it's a wrench. Okay? So ito yung gamit ko, itong screwdriver na may mga different tips. So ito, pinapasok ko siya dito and then nilalak ko siya sa spark plug. Kaya ito, nakuha ko. Ayan.
It's very heavy.
Yes. Be careful, be careful.
Daddy, it's more?
Yes. So ito guys, oh. Ito yung spark plug from the unit. And then magbukas tayo ng isa to compare. So very important na same size, same specs yung spark plug na gagamitin natin. Ito. Yan.
Daddy, I found both.
Okay. Uy, be careful ha. Be careful. You just stay there. You just stay there. So ito guys, oh. Ayan, for reference. So I don't know kung klaro ba. Ayan guys, ito yung double iridium. Ito na sa right. Ito yung sa stock. So I don't know kung okay pa ba to. Maybe ito isa okay pa. Pero to test is gusto ko na ring mag-change. So ito na yung gagamitin natin para sa kotse natin. Double iridium spark plug. Okay? Install na natin. Mas maganda na bawat tanggal mo ng isa is ikakabit mo na siya para walang dumi na papasok. Okay. Very easy to install guys. You just need the proper tools. Simple lang. Yan. Alright. So, kabit natin ulit yung ignition coil. So, tapos na tayo sa isa.
Daddy,
Yes. Let's do this for the next 3.
Daddy,
Yes. I think mas maganda talaga yung magnetic eh. Kasi pag hila mo agad sa spark plug, nakadikit na siya. So I need this talaga. Ayan. The second one.
the hook.
Very easy talaga guys. Very easy. Ayan. We're done with the 2. Let's go to the 3. Alright. Hindi talaga sumasabit.
I got that side.
Okay.
Daddy,
Yes. Do not use it sa car, ha? Ma-scratch ang car. Okay? The tool ba? Okay? Yan. Tapos na tayo sa 3.
Daddy,
Last one. Yes. Ito, last one. Ayan.
Daddy,
Yes.
look at this.
Huh?
Look, what?
Okay.
Now, what's this?
What's that?
Yeah,
That's a paper roll. Okay.
Daddy,
You want to get it all?
2.
Only two?
Only 2.
Okay. Alright. Higpitan na natin.
There's 3.
There's 4 actually. Ayun. Alright. So we're good to go. Kailangan na natin ibalik yung mga bolts. Where are the bolts, Caleb? Oh no.
Here.
Okay. Thank you. I got it. Yan guys. Balik na natin. Yan.
Daddy,
Yes.
look at.
What's that? Uy. There's another one. You get the other one. This one. Okay. Be careful, ha? So, lock na natin siya.
Daddy, only 5.
4. Only 4. Okay, you show mommy your hand. So, pagkatapos niyan, tighten natin. Sakto lang. No problem kasi metal din yung nasa ilalim. Alright. Ayan. As easy as that, guys. So ito guys, ito yung 4 na spark plugs na tinanggal natin. So ito siya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Ito yung isa. Pangalawa. 3. 4. So itong isa wala pang lamat. Ito. So for future use or emergency purposes, we will keep itong old. Kasi I think meron pang okay dito. Just in case. Kasi minsan, isa-isa siya nagpapalya. So if you are on a long trip, so very important to na meron kang spare. So keep natin to for reference din. Just in case, kailangan natin bumili sa local store. Pasok natin to ulit sa mga boxes.
Daddy,
Huh?
go.
You put it down, you put it down. Ayan. So again, ginamit natin dito is double iridium. So ligpitin muna natin to lahat and then check natin kung kamusta yung performance. Paanda rin natin. So ayan guys, I just finished changing the spark plugs. It just took me less than 20 minutes as long as I have the right tools. So subukan na natin guys, start na natin yung engine. Right? Caleb, come here.
Daddy,
Yes.
what?
Okay, let's turn it on.
Fire.
Yun. Alright, so para sa kaalaman ng lahat, it's okay na mag-high rev siya for few seconds. So it's normal. Yan. After few seconds, mag-i-stabilize na yung engine. Ayun. So ayan, we're good to go. I hope na tatagal ito. And then, hindi na siya mag-jerk. So, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something with this video on how to change your spark plug and kung ano yung kailangan natin bantayan when you are talking about the spark plug. So, thank you for watching. It's your Ingenieron Choper. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe. Come on, let's go.